My name is Mehwish Obaid and I'm the Integration Manager at SNOLAB. Well, SNOLAB is a world-class science facility located deep underground in Valley Mine near Sudbury, Ontario. In early April, Gisele Roberts from Laurentienne University reached out to different partners in Sudbury to mobilize printing of headbands for the face shield to support local healthcare workers.
My name is Kirk Risto. I'm the Integration Mechanical Group Supervisor here at SNOLAB. I was one of the volunteers here at SNOLAB to 3D print face shield headbands for the frontline workers here at Health Sciences North in Sudbury. Being in the mechanical group here at SNOLAB, we thought this would be a great way to contribute to the local community against COVID-19.
So far, we have printed over 400 headbands to support local community, including Ballet. SNOLAB wants to contribute in taking steps with other partners to make the workplace safe from COVID-19. We also want to make sure that we are keeping our healthcare workers and frontline workers safe.